belly, I'm not the belly, me at the chef in the place. We round the kitchen, me a set the place on the jam to be active, me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly, a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, feel the job creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Hello folks, so today we are making a crazy elixir by Kimberly Snyder. We are copycatting on Kimberly's elixir, and this is a lymphatic lemon elixir that she uses to cleanse the body, the lymphatic system, to boost immunity and to overall help your digestion and everything. When you're feeling a little rundown or sluggish, or if you feel like you're under the weather, if you feel like you're gonna get sick, like how the temperature is changing now, you want to boost your body's lymphatic system as soon as possible. For this recipe, we're gonna use ginger, lots of ginger, and of course 2 lemon. And guys, you don't want to substitute the lemon with lime. The recipe called for lemon. We're also using honey, and you can use your own honey wherever you find it, whatever style of honey you want. And we're using olive oil. All right, it's important. Yes, the olive oil is part of it. The first thing the wifey did is she cut the lemon and wash and cut the lemon. Yeah. And of course, we're gonna blend the lemon. So we want to cut the lemon into blendable pieces. All right. And of course, we're using the skin and everything. Trust me, guys, it work. It really work. All right. So once we're done with the lemon, we want to move ahead and we want to clean our ginger. Make sure that you wash and scrub your ginger. If you're not peeling it, I don't recommend you peel your ginger anyway. Just wash and scrub your ginger. And of course, we're going to add the ginger and the lemon to our blender. All right. And then once we do that, we're going to use 8 cups of water. Yes, guys. 8 cups of water. Or, just make your blender nice, All right. And then, guys, from there, we are going to add 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You understand? And once you add the olive oil, then you start to work on getting your honey in. Of course, we're using 3 tablespoons of honey. You can make it a little bit sweeter if you want, but we loved it with the recommended amount, right? So 3 tablespoons of honey. And guys, please find good honey to use. Organic is better. All right. And then once you have gotten your amount of honey in, you are ready to blend. And I promise you guys, you want to blend this thoroughly. You want to make sure that this is done right. You understand? So you're going to blend as long as you see chunks in there until the honey blend out, until everything is thoroughly incorporated. Make sure it blend nicely. All right. And then the next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to strain your elixir. All right, those ginger pieces, lemon pieces, you want to strain them out. And of course, you can use that strained lemon and ginger in your baking if you want to make a carrot cake or an orange cake or whatever it is that you want to make. It really works. So don't just throw it out. Think about what you can use that pulp for, because trust me, something can make with that. All right. So after she strain it, then it is ready to pour into a bottle. And guys, you can keep this in the fridge for up to a week. If you're taking a shot every day on an empty stomach, it really goes quickly. Let me get my first taste, and I will definitely tell you how it tastes. For shoot.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Well, tastes good.
You know, tastes limey.
Very tasty. Watery.
Tastes good. Taste it. So there you have it, guys. My lymphatic honey ginger elixir. I recommend this one. I have been using it now for quite some time, and I promise you I can feel the difference. I know it's healthy for my body, and I am really and truly recommending it. All right. Remember, we're going to be doing a lot more healthy stuff like this. So follow through with Yardie TV. Keep up the pace. Don't go nowhere. We're right here and we're looking out for you guys. All right. Try this one in your neck of the woods and tell a friend about Yardie TV. I promise you, you're gonna love that one. Yeah. All right. Remember to comment in the description, in the comment section, if you make it and you like it and you really want to do it for your family or you want to keep it up. All right. Yardie TV says so.